The number of coronavirus disease COVID-19 patients jumped to 1,383 and fatalities to 50 in the last 24 hours, pushing India's tally to 19,984. Union Health Ministry data showed this morning. India, which had breached the 10,000 mark on April 14, now has 15,474 active cases, and the number of people who have been cured stands at 3,869. There have been 640 COVID-19 related fatalities in the country till 8 a.m. today. The UK will begin human trials of a coronavirus vaccine tomorrow, Health Secretary Matt Hancock said, as he argued that the government's strategy for fighting the disease had succeeded. As per a media reports, Matt Hancock maintained that in the long run, the best way to defeat coronavirus is through a vaccine. The trials will be of a drug developed at Oxford University. Hancock said the government would give £20 million to support the research, the report said. The panel of experts called by US government Stop Infectious Diseases Agency yesterday recommended against the use of a combination of an anti-malarial drug and an antibiotic that President Donald Trump has touted as a potential game changer in treating COVID-19. The experts panel said in a guidelines for COVID-19 treatment that, except for the purposes of clinical trials, it recommends against the use of the anti-malarial drug hydroxychloroquine plus erythromycin, the antibiotic, because of the potential for toxicities. The United Nations has warned the coronavirus pandemic may lead to multiple famines of biblical proportions, as the number of confirmed infections globally passed 2.5 million. The UN's World Food Programme estimated the number of the world's hungry could nearly double by the end of the year. World Food Programme Executive Director David Beasley warned the world was on the brink of hunger pandemic if immediate action was not taken. The second COVID-19 patient of Manipur who was tested negative twice during the course of his treatment was discharged from the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS hospital yesterday. However, surveillance over him will continue, officials said. The man, who is a Jamaat attendee, tested negative during his hospitalization at RIMS hospital on April 18 and 19 respectively. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchan distributed hand sanitizers and face masks to residents of Singjamai Ward No. 17 at the Singjamai Community Hall in Imphal. At the occasion, 5 kg rice each was also distributed to the residents of the area with the help of local club volunteers. Owner of the Shanghai Express, Nishikanta Singh Sapam, today distributed ration and other essential goods to 44 underprivileged houses of Kwakatel Ngarnapithong and Kaisamthong Maninglekai. Local clubs and the residents lauded Nishikanta for the help extended during the lockdown. Due to ongoing lockdown and precautions being taken by local population in fighting against COVID-19, villagers have been facing problems to meet their basic daily essentials. In this context, company operating base Waikhong and Pangaltabi of Kakching Battalion of 28th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Chandel Battalion of 26th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South provided necessary assistance to the ex-servicemen of Bero Anti village in Chandel district during the period of lockdown to control COVID-19 pandemic on 20th April 2020. Subsidiary Training Center, Border Security Force Chuchanpur, as part of its continued efforts in helping the local population, distributed clean drinking water at Gangpimol village, Chuchanpur yesterday. The BSF team distributed one water tanker having capacity of 6,000 liters of clean water to the households who were not having water pipeline connection and private ring well. North Korean state media today made no mention of leader Kim Jong-un's health or whereabouts, a day after intense international speculation over his health was sparked by media reports. He was gravely ill after a cardiovascular procedure. As per reports, North Korean media presented a business as usual, carrying routine reporting of Kim's achievements, publishing his older or undated quotes on issues like the economy.